Gurgaon is the city which is prone to waterlogging and traffic jams, and right now we are at sector 50 in Gurgaon, and you can see it's not raining here, but waterlogging still you can see, and you can see this dumping yard over here. Right across the road are those smart buildings of Gurgaon. And we have residents of Sector 50 here with us, with whom we will be speaking about what are the issues that they want the government that will come into power after elections, after the assembly elections. What are the issues that they want the government to address? Right now, these are the residents who live right across the road in this society, and you can see the placards that they are wearing here, and it says "Stop Malba and Kachra Dumping." So, why? What makes you say that?
We say that because we are paying our taxes. We have done a part of the job. We were all working, now retired. And we find right outside the society so much kachra is dumped. And it gets removed, it gets dumped again. So why is this happening? We have to break this chain because Gurgaon should be one of the best places, like almost like Chandigarh or one of the best cities in India. And this is happening because there is no punishment for the people who are dumping it. So a mechanism has to be in place. We in our society can help by identifying, and we can give live information. Right now dumping is taking place, so authorities can take action.
What is your name and what do you do?
My name is Wing Commander Ajay Mishra. I am a retired officer from the Air Force. Yeah. And this is Dogra Saab. He retired from the telecom department.
So, do you, when we think about Gurgaon, there is an image that crops up in our mind that it is a beautiful city where everyone will want to live. Do you find it the same way?
Honestly, to be very frank and honest, I am totally disappointed after having come here because we came 7 years back from Delhi and things are so bad here that it's very difficult to, live in a very comfortable life what you foresee after retirement or any such thing. Here, all the time, we are living in this polluted environment. It's unhygienic environment, and it is an ongoing process for us, and we see no respite from this. We have approached the authorities. Lot many complaints have been made online as per their website, but action being taken is practically nil. And this is only one side of the story. When it rains, the things are awful. That adds to the misery through which we are going.
Right now we can see the road over here and it's not raining. Ma'am, what is your name? आपका नाम बताइए.
स्वरण डोगरा.
हाँ जी. Ma'am, tell us about the water logging problem in Gurgaon.
Yeah, we have seen for the last 7 years what he told. It's a really, really horrible situation to move around. We don't come this side because it's a really messy. You can say it's messy. And see the condition of this. It's hygienic, unhygienic, unhygienic. We sometimes we really क्या कहूँ मैं उसके लिए regret कि we are in such a beautiful location. It's such a beautiful houses, and we near more you see the surrounding. It's a horrible.
The surroundings are horrible, although it is a very
Millennium City.
Millennium City.
Millennium
Yes,
City.
yes, ma'am. Tell us about this dump that has been that we can see here.
So, ma'am, this place is an open dump ground. Okay, the shops here, the people who stay in this basti, it is like a dumping ground for them, and you will always see cows grazing here. And these are the same cows which I think they have a Gaushala. And we on one side we say we worship cows, and this place is always full of filth. It is an invitation to diseases. There are two schools around. There is traffic around. Our helps and drivers stay in this basti, and they come from this area. They wade through this water. This water is mixed with sewage water. Lot of them are facing allergy issues in their feet. They are getting treated right now because this place, the water in the monsoon, 2 months, it doesn't dry up. They are living in sewage water. So, right outside our society, where we are doing so much horticulture, green area, waste segregation, we have our own composting plant. As soon as we step out, we come to this place. You know, and these are the places which will bring diseases. This is like a dengue breeding ground. So it's so disappointing. We frankly had never thought we'll leave Gurgaon. I came here 20 years back. My son was 1. He's 21 now, working. But believe me, today lunch table, our family was discussing that we should move out. Let's find alternate cities. I don't want to stay a retired life here. It's heartbreaking. We loved Gurgaon, you know.
It's not raining, sir, and water logging. We can still see water logging over here. What happens when it rains?
When it rains, Nivriti, this place turns into a river. We have lakes and rivers instead of roads and open areas. There are traffic jams which extend for hours. We've had a 4-hour traffic jam just a couple of weeks back. My wife drove from Maruti to home, which is a half an hour commute. She took 4 hours. She was stuck on the road. The traffic just stops moving. Cars are driving through water which is waist deep, and many cars get choked and stop on the road, creating massive pileups.
Is this the case only when it rains, or it's like this otherwise also?
So when it rains, it gets terrible. Rest of the time, the roads are all right, as in they are navigable. When it rains, it's an absolute disaster. Rest of the time, what the problem is, potholes. There are many potholes, and repair is not done in time. So we go up and down through bumps. If they lay the road also, it's a very shabby job. It's like they probably collect some malba and fill up the pothole rather than do a thorough job of a proper road.
What do you have to say, sir? What is the biggest issue in Gurgaon right now?
No, we come across smart city. You know, we have been hearing from the government time and again. But what I find is that dump is thrown everywhere. You know, wherever there is a vacant plot, even let us leave it at even a footpath also. And for me, if I say I cannot stand in my balcony also, because it is so much dump is there, they will remove and then half an hour another will come, trolley will come and then they will dump it. It's very painful and disappointed. And at times, rightly she has said, we also think, can we live here under these circumstances in the dump and garbage, you know. This is horrible, you know, and government must take and put either some fencing is there or some sort of fear psychosis should be created who dump the garbage, you know.
Do you think that you are not getting what you should be getting, despite Gurgaon being one of the cities which pays highest tax to the government, especially Haryana government?
No, I pay tax regularly. I have never defaulted in my life taxes. If we have to see all these things in life, this is really bad, you know. I cannot just say.
Sir, I'm sure Gurgaon must be paying highest tax as far as Haryana is concerned. So, do you think you are getting as per your taxes?
Not at all. We are nowhere near it. It is so disappointing and heartbreaking that, you know, and the pity of the situation is, I'm not a politician, but when I see when the elections are closing on, the people come around, these prospective candidates, they promise so many things, they give big promises and all that. All those promises are left aside once they get elected, and then nobody is there to take care of the city, the people. They are just left to themselves.
Are you angry with the government, ma'am?
Of course, why not? We are paying so much tax. And what we are getting, this thing, just we'll go that side. Again, you can see behind our bar. Though you can see
Are
that.
you angry with the government, sir?
Oh, I am angry. At the same time, I want them to get into action.
Yeah.
There is no point being angry. And we are with the government to set things right. Matlab, it is,
What is the biggest issue of Gurgaon? If I ask you about the assembly elections, what is going to be the biggest issue of Gurgaon?
neglect of the environment. Matlab, kachra dumps everywhere. The kachra goes into the water drains, water logging. And like ma'am mentioned, people are suffering because mosquitoes will breed.
What is the biggest issue, ma'am? One.
Here in Gurgaon. Issue,
Biggest issue.
biggest issue is we cannot move around in rainy
In the
season.
vicinity, right. Biggest issue, sir?
We are lacking the ideal free environment, which is a healthy environment for living here.
Now, what I feel is some sort of fencing should be done from where garbage is removed. Unless fair psychosis is concerned, or the people who throw dumps, they are penalized. This will never happen.
Infrastructure is the biggest challenge of Gurgaon, and infrastructure in Gurgaon, unlike Noida, which has built infrastructure in advance and then the city grows, this city first grows, we build industries, people move in, and then they try to make infrastructure catch up. So I'm very disappointed with the government's inability to create an infrastructure which hosts a city of 3 million people. So it's absolutely disappointing.
What is the biggest issue?
Basic civic amenities are missing, like cleanliness, clean place to walk, clean air, clean water is completely missing from Gurgaon. I mean, in monsoons, the biggest issue is waterlogging and waste dumping. Now, come winters, we will all start screaming about air pollution. So basic amenities, it's appalling how a municipality cannot see this. And it's everywhere in Gurgaon. It's not just one place, it's everywhere.
So do you think it is going to have an impact in elections?
Definitely.
Is it going to have
Absolutely, we have a green manifesto and we have presented to all political parties the green manifesto that a bunch of environmentalists, including many of us, we have demanded that political parties include it in their manifesto. If they don't, we will not vote for them. We will throw them out of power or whatever.
We are being compelled whether should we vote or not. If we have to live under such circumstances, then we do not want such a government, who cannot do all these things and clean the garbage.
I don't want to get deprived of my voting rights, but at the same time, there should be a mechanism where the politicians, when they come into power, they should be accountable for their promises made in the manifesto.
Yes, same.
So promises are made, but they are not fulfilled, and Gurgaon is a good example. At least at this place where we are standing right now, you can see that promises are not fulfilled. There is garbage over here, and you can see without any rain, water logging is still there, and you can imagine what will happen when it rains. So all these issues are going to matter during the assembly elections, which are going to be held on 5th of October this year. Nivriti Mohan, News 9.